So this quiz team gets 10 points for every question it gets right, and loses 5 points each time it gets it wrong. So to get a total of 30, you're going to need to get 10, 10, 10. And the chance of getting it right is 0.6. So the chance of getting a score of 30 is 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6, 0.6 cubed, 0.216. Doesn't ask for that one, but we needed to think that one through first. Now, to get 15, you'd have to get 10 and then lose 5. And so to get that one there, we're doing 2 correct and 1 wrong. Now, luckily it says show that the probability of this, because if you tap that in, that doesn't give the 0.432 that you wanted. And that's because, of course, this could have been done in any order. You could have got this one wrong, the third one wrong like I did, or maybe the second one wrong, or maybe the first one wrong. So there's 3 different ways of doing that. And so that's why there the total is 0.432. The chance of getting all 3 wrong, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, well, that's just 0.4 cubed, and they gave you that one, 0.064. So if you want to work out the probability of scoring 0 points, you could actually just do 1, take away all of these, and that would give you the answer. But let's actually think it through. That would be getting 1 of them right and 2 of them wrong. And again, there's 3 different ways of doing that. So it's 3 times 0.6 for 1 right and 0.4 for 2 wrong. Tap that into your calculator and you can get the answer 0.288. So there's all the probabilities fixed for the first bit. So I'm grabbing my calculator here. I mean, really, I suppose I should be doing a big long table and working all of these things out, but I've tapped them into the calculator here, and I'm going to take the values from here. So I've got the expected value of x, I can see here is 12, and the expected value of x squared is 306. So my variance, the variance of x, will be 306, take away 12 squared. So my variance is 162. And again, I'll check that by square rooting it and seeing that it gives this bit here. So there's those ones. So now going on to the bonus round, and there's a great question on this in the 2022 exam, I think it was, that's got one of these sorts of things. You're thinking even more about it. But we're getting 20 for every one that was right, and still just losing 5, and there's still 3 questions. So actually, the structure of this is exactly the same as you had before, 20, 20, 20. So we've got scores of 60, of 20, 20 and minus 5, so 35. 20 minus 5 minus 5, so that's 10, or minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 15. And if they've not got actually any better at the questioning, it's still 0.16 again, then these numbers will actually be exactly the same. And 0.64 there. And again, that's the beauty of using the calculator again. I can just go back. Now, I can't change this in my lists, but I could actually just change that to 60, 35, 10. I put minus 5 there. I meant minus 15, didn't I? Minus 15. And then we'll calculate that, and it tells me that my expected value of x now will be 30. And again, we could do that longhand if we wanted to.